Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I'm here with another quick little pre-recorded video to show you another patriotic thing you could just stand and set on your counter, or if you hook a piece of jute, you can hang this on your tree. I'm doing something besides just patriotic. But I was thinking, if I put this on my tiered tray, and then I could lay these with it on my tiered tray, my little rolling pins I showed you before. Okay, so this is what I used. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's a little wood pallet. Now, I did give it a sanding with my sanding sponge, because if you don't sand the sides and stuff, sometimes the paint doesn't cover good. So I did sand it. Then I gave it a coat of my Waverly white chalk paint. I only did one coat. I did the front. I let that dry, and then I did the back. I couldn't just leave the back plain. You know me. Then, these are the flag napkins from Dollar Tree. These are from Dollar Tree. You only need a quarter of this napkin. I think I have it cut somewhere. At least I thought I did. Okay, let's see. All right. I know I did. Okay. Well, anyways, we're going to cut one now. Oh, here it is. Okay. These are from the Dollar Tree. So you're going to open it up, and all you need is a quarter of it. Just a quarter of it. This is only like a 2-ply. So just take the back piece off like this. I am going to suggest you lay it down to see how you want it. Now, I did it so my point is down here on the end, okay? So then you're going to take your Mod Podge. Now, I'm using paper Mod Podge. I don't really think it matters, but this one is for paper. I am going to order that one. That's for napkins. And you're going to coat your palette. Coat your palette with Mod Podge. I think the cheaper napkins get bubbles in them. So I'm going to show you what I did. I think because they're so thin. I don't know. But anyways, I got a piece of blue on there. Okay. So I am going to lay this where I want it. Okay. All right. I laid it on here. See how I have this point down in here? All right. I'm going to tell you now, I'm not worrying too much about my wrinkles because I'm going to show you what I did. Okay. I'm doing a couple different ones. Okay, this is the bee napkins from Hobby Lobby. These are in the baby shower aisle. They have a bee theme for the baby shower. So, it has like a bunch of little bubbles, and this is only 2-ply also. So what I did was lay a piece of parchment paper over it, took my iron, no steam. I have it on medium. And I am going to iron this on. I'm going to iron it. Not on, but I'm going to iron it. That's much better. I'm doing the bee. I got to let it dry a little bit because that like heats up your Mod Podge to get your wrinkles out. So this one I had already ironed. So look how pretty this one is. Look how pretty this is. Okay, I took my X-Acto knife here, my X-Acto knife, and I cut in between the pallets. I cut in between my pallets. Then either a fine grit sandpaper or a nail file. This nail file is from the Dollar Tree. Then I nail file this off. Nail file this off. I think my nail file is getting dull. So I have my fine grit sandpaper here. Yeah, see that's working better for me. Stuck there on top. Okay. I think my paper towel, my napkin got Mod Podge to the wood. Okay. I'm gonna just sand that off. Okay. Get this long piece on the bottom off. Now it's being stubborn. Okay. I should have had one already sanded off. All right. I think my Mod Podge got to the side. You probably could have Mod Podged the napkin down the side, but okay. All right. There, I have my sides off. So now I am going to do the center. I'm just going to give this a sanding. Let's see. My paper napkin is... There it goes. It was stuck. That one. I don't like the side there. Still have a little napkin on there. Take it off. Okay. Liking my paper, it's thinner. I need a thinner nail file for in there. Okay. This side. go. Oh, this one's so pretty. This one is so pretty. Napkin. Okay. Oh gosh. Look how pretty that is. Okay. Look how pretty that one is. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to show you how I made it stand before I put another coat of Mod Podge on here. We should put another coat of Mod Podge on here to seal it up. But first, let me show you, because it doesn't stand by itself. So I needed to figure out a way to make it stand. So here are craft sticks from the Dollar Tree. These are craft sticks from the Dollar Tree. And I took a craft stick and I just added, see these two wood pieces here? I just added a dab of hot glue to each one of those. Just like that. And then I am going to glue this on there. Center it. And glue it on. This one seems a little warped. Okay. Holding it on a second. So just like this. See, I have it in the back. So then, oops, I got too much stuff here. Then it stands. Then it'll stand for you. Okay, then just take another coat of Mod Podge and brush it on top. Now, if you happen to bubble up again, just give it an iron. This is a better napkin. This one is, this one was a 3-ply. So I had to take the 2 layers off the back, but it's heavier itself, I think. Okay, so I added another coat. Now I need to let that dry. Now let's check out our flag. See our flag? It's got wrinkles. So I just want to iron it again. Because before, when I was doing the flag, when I was trying to sand the paper off, it was ripping on me. I think because of the bubbles. So I did the iron on this one. So now there's no creases, no bubbles. It's nice. It's nice. We're going to have to do the B. Here's my flag. And then I would just take my sandpaper again and get that off. This one's coming off easier. I didn't have so much Mod Podge on it, I guess. I like to take the sides off first. It's easier to work in the center. Really should go like this to get it off. Not back and forth, but like up and down. Then I take my X-Acto knife and run it down. And then sand your inside there. Be careful because I'm still pulling up a little bit of my napkin. This one I can't go up and down. I gotta go back and forth. The flower napkin I had. I got them, I don't know, last year or the year before. Okay. I really didn't need to do this one in front of you. Okay. See, I lost a little, I sanded a little bit of my red off, but that's okay. That's okay. All right. Coated this, and then I'll let it dry, and then I'll hook my, see, I think I'm going to have to iron it again, because it seems like it's bubbling a little bit. So after it dries, I'll give it another quick iron. No steam, medium heat. Okay. All good. I'll make sure I have enough on there. Okay. So here's this again. How cute is that flag? Okay. I'm going to finish this one. I'm not going to do this one in front of you. I'll finish this one when I get off of here. Okay. So if you like, oh, there I got paint on the plastic. If you like this video, my little idea, decorate the page. You guys, you could do these for all seasons also. So this one's so pretty. I'm in love with it. And the flag is cute too. Okay. So if you like this video, just decorate the page. And I thought I had more than 3 of these, but for now I have 3. I'm going to pick Wednesday, because I'm doing it. I'm going to pick 2 winners on Wednesday, one for the rolling pins. Okay, I'm going to pick a winner on Wednesday. You'll get these. You're going to get 3 unless I find more. The bee napkins, the flag napkins, and 2 of these really pretty napkins. I hardly have any of these. And the craft sticks, so to make it stand. So you will get all of that. And I think that's it. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you like my little video on doing these little things for your trays, or you could just set it on your shelf or wherever. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me. Talk to y'all later.